Hello everyone, and welcome to Basics of Biology, your path towards NEET. Today we will learn about lipids and understand their types and biological importance. So, let's begin. Introduction to lipids. Lipids are organic molecules that are mainly made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are insoluble in water and include fats, oils, waxes and steroids. Lipids play important roles in energy storage, cell membrane formation and hormone production. They are essential for maintaining the structure and proper functioning of living organisms. Question number 1. What are the main types of lipids? Answer. The main types of lipids are triglycerides, fats and oils, phospholipids, waxes and steroids. Question number 2. What is the structural formula of glycerol? To which organic function do these molecules belong? Answer. Glycerol is a linear chain of 3 carbons. The central carbon is bound to one hydroxyl radical into one hydrogen and the 2 other carbons in the extremities are bound to a hydroxyl radical into 2 hydrogens. Spatial sides of the hydroxyls are the same. Glycerol molecules belong to the alcohol organic function. Question number 3. How are triglycerides made? Answer. Triglycerides, fats or oils, are made of 3 molecules of fatty acids bound to 1 molecule of glycerol. Hydroxyls of each one of the 3 fatty acids and each hydrogen of the hydroxyls of the glycerol bind to form 3 molecules of water that are liberated. Question number 4. What are phospholipids? Answer. Phospholipids are molecules made of glycerol bound to 2 long molecules of fatty acids and to 1 phosphate group. Therefore, phospholipids are amphipathic molecules, i.e., they have a non-polar portion, due to the long fatty acid chains, and a polar portion, due to the group phosphate. Phospholipids are the main component of cell membranes. Sphingomyelin, the substance that forms the myelin sheath of axons in the nervous system, is a phospholipid too. Question number 5. What are steroids? What are some examples of steroids with a biological function? Answer. Steroids are lipids based in an angular combination of 4 carbon rings, 3 of them made of 6 carbons and 1 ring made of 5 carbons in the extremity. The union of each ring to the adjacent ring is made by the sharing of 2 adjacent carbons belonging to both rings. Bile salts, cholesterol, the sexual hormones estrogen, progesterone and testosterone, the corticosteroids and the pro-vitamin D are examples of steroids. Question number 6. What are hydrophobic molecules, or hydrophobic molecular regions? What are hydrophilic molecules? How can they be characterized in relation to their polarity? Answer. Hydrophobic molecules are those that have little or no propensity to dissolve in water. Hydro equals water, phobia equals fear. Hydrophilic molecules are those that have great propensity to dissolve in water. Philia equals friendship. Water is a polar substance. Remembering the rule that equal dissolves equal, one can conclude that hydrophobic substances are non-polar molecules while hydrophilic molecules are polar molecules. Question number 7. Are organic solvents like benzene and ether polar or non-polar substances? Answer. Benzene and the ethers are molecules without electrically charged portions and thus they are non-polar substances. Question number 8. Regarding solubility, how are lipids classified? Answer. Fats and oils are hydrophobic molecules, i.e., they are non-polar and insoluble in water. Lipids in general are molecules with a large non-polar extension and so they are soluble in non-polar solvents, like benzene, ether and chloroform. There are some amphipathic lipids, i.e., lipids whose molecules have a hydrophilic portion, like the phospholipids, giving them the property of being dragged by water, and a hydrophobic portion, non-polar. Question number 9. What is meant by saturation or unsaturation of oils and fats? Answer. When it is said that a triglyceride is saturated, it means that in its molecule the carbon chain is bound in its maximum capacity to hydrogens, i.e., there are no double or triple bonds between carbons. These saturated molecules are generally solid fats at normal temperature. Unsaturated triglyceride molecules are those in which there are double or triple bonds between carbons and so they do not accomplish their maximum capacity of hydrogenation. These unsaturated molecules in general are oils, liquid at normal temperature. The terms saturated or unsaturated refer then to the saturation of the carbonic chain by hydrogen atoms. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video for more biology learning content. See you in the next video.